The Golden Bachelor is a huge hit with viewers, and it's apparently inspiring older adults to get back into the dating world.
Joining us now is therapist and dating coach Kimmy Seltzer, and let's talk about Golden Bachelor. Oh my goodness, massive ratings hit, right? We know that. Why do you think so many Americans are following Gary's journey?
I'm so excited about this show because finally there's focus on dating in the golden years, or I call it dating in the second act. And the reason why it's so popular is there's so many people over the age 40 who are dating, and yet not a lot of people are talking about it. And it is a different kind of dating.
And you actually got to meet Gary.
I did.
What was that like?
It was awesome. I was on the Tamron Hall show talking about dating in the golden years, and he's just as authentic and genuine in life. And I think that's part of the appeal that a lot of these ladies are loving, is his level of attentiveness and just authenticity.
Mm-hmm. Now let's talk about dating over 50. So it's a different game, right?
Oh, it's
dating
very
in your
different.
20s is different from your 30s and your 40s, and now the 50s.
Each decade has its own nuance.
Yeah. Like, what's the difference here? How is the game different for this age group?
Well, the beautiful part about dating later in life, especially after 50, is because there's no sense of time anymore. Like, you can really enjoy and get to know yourself as a whole new person, and what you want might also be different. And here's the thing, there's a lot of different kinds of relationships in the modern world, right? And I think before, when people were dating, they were dating as if to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Well, now it's really, I call it dating yourself, so that you get to know yourself, to see what you want later in life. And it can be so much fun. Now people have resources to do what they want, travel. It can be an exciting time, but it can be really daunting if you are just getting back out there.
That's very true, at any age, pretty much.
Yes.
You always say that we should dress the part. What does that mean?
Well, you need a good dating costume. And what I mean by that is that you should really pay attention to how you feel and what you're wearing, and getting kind of that sexy confidence as you're getting back out there. I mean, I come from my own story. I went from being a frumpy mom to a sexy mama after having my red dress moment.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. My wardrobe consisted of all black. I still had nursing bras on. It was not sexy until I got my red dress moment, and I put on a red dress much like yours, and everything just started happening to me. But here's the thing, I had to get used to being seen, and that's another thing that is really scary when you're getting back out there, because I wasn't 20 any longer, and I had to get used to you alien men paying attention to me.
Aliens?
Yes. So when you're dressed, because I'm an image consultant as well, and so I do a lot of makeovers, and so now my process is working from the outside in order to attract what you want, because how you market yourself really impacts the opportunities that you create.
Okay. Well, you talked about the outside with the appearance. Now let's go to the inside, and a little maybe flirting going along with it, right?
Oh, how much time do we have? I love this topic.
Diving in.
Yeah, I have a workshop coming up actually December 12th. If anyone's interested, just go to kimmyseltzer.com, shameless plug. But I love flirting because if you look at the definition of flirting in the dictionary, it's to behave as though you are attracted to someone without the serious intention of an outcome. Now that last part is what trips everyone up, because they're worried about what's next. Like, they don't want to turn it on to somebody that they're not interested in, or they feel awkward. But really, it's about a magnetism that just draws people to you, and it's about being playful and really present in the moment.
Okay, I like this attitude.
I see the wheels turning.
Yeah, I feel like I need to process all of this.
Taking notes here.
A little bit. Okay, so if you're getting back out there, no matter what age you are, where do we get started?
Well, I always have my clients create a mission statement. In business we do that, but in the dating world it's really important, because I have free calls with people and I ask, what is it that you want? And most of the time people can't really tell me. And especially dating later, people are going into dating as if they are that relationship person seeking a boyfriend or girlfriend, but maybe they're not really ready. Maybe they just want to have a little fun and learn how to get their flirt on and really just be more social. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is creating a dating plan. Gone are the days when you're in your 20s where you have the infrastructure of your social life, maybe in college or whatnot, so you have to be really intentional. And I have a three-prong approach in helping people. The first thing is just once a week, it's like going to the gym, exercising your social muscle. And what I mean by that is going to the bars, going to the market, and just talking to people.
Oh, that sounds
I know, that sounds so scary, right?
You can't just text.
Right. Well, and that's the point is that our social muscle is getting a little atrophied, especially after the pandemic. So it's been just really helpful for people to just talk to people. The second thing are taking classes around your hobbies because you'll find your tribe there. And the third thing is going to one-off events so that there's excitement. And again, you're just meeting, up. And there's just so many opportunities out there, but yet people just rely on the apps.
Wow.
Okay, there's a lot to digest.
I know.
We could go on and on with this.
Oh, man.
Kimmy Seltzer, thank you so much for joining us. That was a lot of fun.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Really good advice. Keep it in mind.
Yep.
Well, we are going back to check in with our Mark